The first step in creating a map is generating an API key that's associated with your Google account. The key allows you to monitor your map's API usage through the Google API console. In this lesson, you will learn how to use the Google API console to generate your unique API key. Now, the Google Maps JavaScript API does not require you to have a key to function properly, but it is recommended for live production sites. Let's start out by visiting the Google API console. You can find it at code.google.com/API/console. And we'll log in with our Google account. Once you log into your Google API console account, you will see your project dashboard. Over on the left-hand side, there are a couple of menus that we will be using to allow access to the Google Maps API and create your API key. Start by clicking on the APIs and Auth, and then click APIs. You will see that now you can browse the different Google APIs that are available and enable the ones you are interested in. We're going to scroll down to the Google Maps JavaScript API and enable it for your account. So go ahead and click on it, and then you can click up here to enable it. After you enable the API, you will see three submenus: Overview, Usage, and Quotas. Usage provides the total number of API requests and responses for your account based on a specified timeline. The Quotas screen will show you the limits in requests per day and your remaining request. You'll start out with 25,000 requests per day and 1 request per second per user. Now let's go ahead and create a specific API key for use with your application. To do that, we're going to go to the left-hand side menu and click Credentials. You can see under Public API Access, currently we do not have any keys set up. So let's go ahead and create a key by clicking on Create New Key. The project we'll be working on is a web-based project, so we're going to choose the browser key. This next screen allows you to specify domains that are allowed to make requests using your key to the Google API. In order to prevent unauthorized access, you should specify the domain and any development domains that will be using your API key. For now, we will not restrict access to our API key. So we're going to click on Create to generate our unique API key. Once your API key has been created, you will be able to see the API key, allowed refers, the activation date, and who it was activated by. You now have the option of editing the refers list, regenerate a new key, or delete this key. If you regenerate a new key, your old key will be deactivated within 24 hours. So you will need to update any sites that use your key in that time frame. Let's go ahead and copy your API key. You will need this key as we start working with the Google API starting in Lesson 3. In this lesson, we learned how to use the Google API console to retrieve your unique API key, monitor usage, and include the Google Maps API on your website.